Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play the FIFA 23 but you know what? My game was not working. When you try to launch the game, all you get is something went wrong with this app or game. But I managed to fix it, so that's a good one. And today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix it. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now the FIFA 23 is not working due to the recent update, that is the update 12 that just yesterday arrived. And you know what? Instead EA trying to fix couple of things into the game, they have actually managed to completely ruin the game, and actually as per the current update, many people are not even able to log into the game. FIFA Direct Communication has provided solutions. Today in this video, I'll be showing you all the exact details how you can fix your FIFA 23. So without a further ado, let's get right into it. Now guys, let me show you the exact problem. So when you try to launch the game, all you get is something went wrong with this app or game, and all you say is this error and nothing get past the screen. So this is the very important problem that many people are facing right now, and actually limited group of people are facing this problem. Error looks something kind of like this: something went wrong with this app or game. All you can do is report, attach screenshot, and I tried this multiple times, you know what guys, but the same exact error is occurring each and every time. Let me show you this. Here you can see when I try to launch the game, again I get this error and my game is not loading past the screen, and all I get is errors like this one. And here you can see guys, finally got this error where it doesn't load the game. Now 100% sure you are not alone facing this issue. 33 minutes ago, PS5 version of the FIFA 23 not been working since yesterday. FIFA 23 not working anymore. FIFA 23 not working online. FIFA 23 not working. FIFA 23 PS5 not working. So there are many people reporting the exact thing guys. Alright guys, so let's get to the solution part. So the solution goes like this: you have to head over to your friends list right here into the PlayStation. You can push RD button, and basically the solution goes like this. This is the solution provided by the FIFA Direct Communication. So now let's say in your friends list you got more than 100 friends. What you need to do is pretty simple. As far as the latest workaround suggested by the FIFA Direct Communication, you have to go into your friends list, and right over here you have to remove your friends. So select on any of the friends and then you can click on remove as EA friend. Now here it's pretty important guys that you shouldn't have more than 100 friends into your list. This is what's really important, because you know what, let me show you the tweet. The FIFA Direct Communication, the game developers have found out the apparent cause of this issue. So remember that update 12 that we are talking about, that was originally meant to fix the game, the in-game issues on PlayStation, Xbox, the Xbox S Series X. But you know what guys, actually they have rolled out the update on May 10th, and as far as the latest reports, we can clearly see that there are many people reporting this particular issue occurring to the game. In response, FIFA Direct Communication said that they are investigating the reports of some player experiencing the stability issues while launching the FIFA 23 on PlayStation, and this is happening due to the update 12. The workaround that they have suggested is to reduce your PS5 friends list to 100 or less friends and then relaunch the game. This is really important guys. After you reduce the friend list to less than 100, you need to relaunch the game. Also guys, we have the latest updates onto their Trello page, Trello board, so let's check it out. Now since this problem is occurring since yesterday, PS5 unable to enter to the main menu after connecting to EA servers while friends list is greater than 100. This is the exact problem. When players friends list has more than 100 friends, players can't able to enter into main menu after connecting to EA servers while Title Update 12 is installed. Title Update 12 seems to be the problem. As of right now, the workaround is to reduce your PS5 friends list to 100 or less and then relaunch the game. Now to save you a little bit of time, let me show you some of the comments. Many people have replied that it actually, what people are saying, let me show you. 5 hours ago it actually worked, thanks a lot. It worked for me, thanks a lot. True information, thanks, it's working. It actually works. Don't reset PS5 guys. This is the weirdest fix I have ever seen. Yes indeed, it's the weirdest fix guys. You have to remove your friends, but it does work, that's for sure. Thanks, it works for me 9 hours ago. Thanks, it worked, it worked. So you can definitely see the pattern guys. Many people have clearly acknowledged that it works. It genuinely works, that's for sure. No worries regarding that. But the most important thing is your friends list should be less than 100. That's a very important thing. So you can reduce it to 99, even 98, and I'm pretty sure that it will work out for you and you can be able to play the FIFA 23. Does this solution work for you? Do let me know in the comments down below. Let the community know about it, and make sure to hit hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys. See you in the next video.